In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up task management with templates and Dataview in Obsidian. Open the Obsidian app. Once it loads, you'll be on the main dashboard. From here, go to the File Explorer on the side. Find an empty area inside that panel, then right-click. In the menu that appears, choose the option to create a new folder. When the folder name is active, type Templates. Then press Enter so the folder is created. Next, move to the lower left area and click the gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings window, look for Core Plugins. Open that section, then find Templates in the list. Turn the Templates plugin on. After that, use the Settings sidebar and click Templates. You'll now set the template folder location. Click into that setting and choose the Templates folder you just created. This tells Obsidian where your reusable note templates will live. Now stay in Settings and go to Community Plugins. Open that section, then click Browse. A plugin browser will open. Click the search bar and type Dataview. Wait for the Dataview result to appear, then click it. Choose Install, and once the install finishes, click Enable. With that done, you can close the Settings window and return to your vault. Go back to the File Explorer and open the Templates folder. Inside this folder, create a new note. Name the note Task Template, then press Enter. Open that note so you can edit it. Now type the YAML front matter exactly as needed. Start with 3 dashes on the first line. On the next line, type status, then a colon, then to do. On the following line, type do, then a colon. Leave the do value blank for now. On the next line, type priority, then a colon. Leave that blank as well. Then on the last line, type 3 more dashes. This template creates fields for status, do, and priority so each task note uses the same structure. Next, create another new note and name it Task Dashboard. Open the note, then type the Dataview query. On the first line, type 3 backticks, then the word Dataview. Press Enter. On the next line, type Table Status, do, priority. Press Enter again. On the next line, type From, then a space, then Tasks in quotation marks. Press Enter again. On the next line, type Sorit do ASC. Then press Enter one more time and close the code block with 3 backticks. This query will pull task information from notes inside a folder named Tasks and sort those tasks by due date in ascending order. Now go to the top right of the note and click the book icon to switch to Reading View. This lets Obsidian render the Dataview query as a table. Confirm that the table appears correctly. Next, create a new note in your Tasks folder. If you already have a Tasks folder, open it first. Then create the note and name it Prepare Client Presentation. Press Enter to save that note title and open the note. With the note open, use the command palette. Press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac. In the command search, type Insert Template. Select the Insert Template command when it appears. Then choose Task Template from the list. The template content will be inserted into your note. Now fill in the properties. For status, leave it as To Do. Move to the Do field and type 2026-4-18. Then move to the Priority field and type High. This completes the task note using the structure from your template. Once that is done, return to the note called Task Dashboard. In Reading View, check the Dataview table again. You should now see the Task Prepare Client Presentation listed in the table. It will appear with its status, due date, and priority, and it should be sorted by the Do field. At this point, the task is visible in your current account through the dashboard setup you created in Obsidian. The main workflow is now complete. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You have successfully set up task management with templates and Dataview in Obsidian. The templates folder is configured, the template node is in place, the Dataview plugin is enabled, the dashboard query is working, and the task node appears automatically in the table. Go ahead and try it on your end. Congratulations!